Hey guys, it's Benjamin Ritter with LiveForYourselfConsulting.com, and I want to talk about life planning. Now, when we set little goals for ourselves, such as losing weight or saving money for a trip, we're usually pretty strategic about it. We may detail out workouts, we may buy a gym membership, we may make sure that we go to the gym a certain amount of times per week. When it comes to saving money for a trip, you may analyze what you're spending your money on. You may cut up certain credit cards. You may set up a separate bank account. You set specific to-dos and intents for your daily life to reach these goals. But how often do you do that for your overall life? If you want a new career, if you want a certain type of family or relationship, if you want to live somewhere specific, how often are you setting those daily check-ins, those 6-month goals, those annual goals? How much are you investing in reaching those goals? So when you're thinking about your overall life plan, you have to get as strategic about it as you are about everything else in your life, because it works. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, like it, share it, spread it all over social media, and make sure to go to LiveForYourselfConsulting.com to find out about products and services. And most important, keep on living for yourself.